Alright, Queens and Kings, so part 3 of the series of upgraded DIY transformation type items that I will be doing around in my home is back. And here in this video I am doing 3 items where I'm gonna upgrade and polish them and make them to the look that I want, and these items will be for my closet. As you guys can see portions of it now. In the closet tour will be out Tuesday, so please come back and see what I did. But anyways, if you all would like to see how I just revamped these items here, just please continue to watch. Hey Queens and Keys. Alright, Queens and Kings, so for DIY slash revamp number 1 is this stool here that I purchased from Family Dollar sometime last year, and I'm going to use this metallic spray paint, which I will be using for all DIYs or whatever. And that metallic spray paint came from Walmart. Like I said, the stool came from Family Dollar, which is a light pink that was in Jasmine room. So now I done spray painted my legs and everything, which you guys won't see every detail of me doing everything throughout the video, but I will explain it to you all. Here I just took a foam board and traced the seating. Now here go is some foam crafts cushion that I purchased from Walmart, which is the 4-pack. So here I'm showing you guys where I'm basically going to take that cutout that I did, the outline of the seat, and I cut it around the cushion. So now that I have the cushion to the exact size of my cutout of the foam board that is from Dollar Tree. So now I'm showing you guys here where I'm just going to place this, how I'm going to line everything up on this stool. Here I have my adhesive needle, some bling buttons, and a fabric that I did have used for my headboard that I'm going to use on here, and some sewing needle thread that I'm going to create this. Now I'm arranging the buttons how I want them, which you guys know the little 5-point that is going on pretty much in my home. And here I'm showing you guys where I have thread is, in which I'm not showing you every detail because I have done this before in my home when I did the tufted headboard twice. So I felt like there was no need to do it, but all I did was just thread the needle. And basically I'm showing you guys where I'm going to start off at the center point, the point of this padding seat. And now I have did all 5 buttons. It's not glued down, which is what I'm showing you guys now, but I did glue the outline of the foam board from Dollar Tree as well to the craft foam. And basically what I'm going to do is hot glue the fabric up under the bottom before I actually glue it down to the seat. And that's what I'm showing you guys now. See how thick it is? And this, honestly, it was very comfortable as when I do sit on it. So don't feel like, okay Val, what about the buttons? Are you going to feel the buttons? No, that's why I did it with 2 layers of foam. So therefore the thickness, I don't feel it. The buttons actually press into the foam. So that's what I'm showing you guys here. That is all done. Look how cute it is. Look how the bling it. Oh my goodness. But these buttons came from Amazon or eBay if I'm not mistaken. So now I'm just basically putting some hot glue on the seat, and I'm just going to place the seat directly on there, as you guys see now. Apply a little pressure and we're gonna be good to go. Alright, so here it is. I love the way that it look in my closet. I love that gray and gold. I don't know, but on the little legs, y'all, I had to be a little extra. I put a little bling around a little diamond blings that I got from Dollar Tree, I believe. Yes, Dollar Tree. You know, just actually to add a little more glam to it, basically. So this is how it turned out, and I just love it. Like I said, it does fit seat comfortable. Like I don't feel the buttons when I'm actually sitting down. So yeah. So now we're gonna move on to the simple DIY number 2, which is a mirror, a vanity mirror that I have, and I'm gonna use Dollar Tree little frame mirrors here, and I'm basically just gonna take the frame itself. That's all I want to use for this DIY, and I'm gonna take it outside and spray paint it gold. And we're going to get ready to glue that on the face of my little vanity mirror. So now what I'm showing you guys here, where I'm placing the hot glue on the back of the frame. we're gonna flip that over now. I'm trying to be very careful at this point because this temperature on this glue is very hot, very hot. I already burnt my finger actually when I was doing the stool. So this is how it's looking, but I did add a little more of those little Dollar Tree little blings on there as well, just to give a little more depth to it or whatever, just to be a little extra, because my closet is a little extra. You guys just wait and see. But I'm loving the way that it's turned out, because I'm using this because I don't have a bigger mirror. As you guys can see, I just have some canvases and everything back there. So moving on to the final DIY. Here I have done this before. These are some candelabra, but they are ball of candelabra that I purchased from Amazon that I use for my wedding, and I'm doing the same thing that I did before to make the tall candelabras for my wedding. And I'm using a Dollar Tree candle holder, and I placed some hot glue down in there, and you see the little rubber part of that candelabra, it sticks and melt right into there. Then I add a little more just to secure it some more, and I'm going to take this outside and use that metallic gold spray paint and spray paint this as well once the glue and everything dries up. Alright, so here it is. As you guys can see, I got this little idea of basically placing my lipsticks in there, and I thought it was cute and unique, and I just add a little thing of pearls on it. But I love the way that this turned out, and for to hold my lipstick or whatever. But if you queens and kings enjoy these little simple DIYs or simple revamps that I have done for my closet, please give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, please share the video, and if you're new stopping by the castle, hello, I am Valerie. Welcome. I hope you consider to hit the subscribe button. If you do, please turn on your post notification bell. So that will be it, queens and kings, for the DIY. And remember, come back Tuesday because the closet tour will be up. And I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye-bye.